Hi, welcome to my video. My name is Arshil and this is Data Structure and Algorithm Lab experiment number 11, implementation of binary search tree. A binary search tree is a tree which contains a parent left and right, means this is the parent, this is left and this is right. In binary search tree, the parent node is the root node, also called as data. The left node is called the child node, and this is also known as child node. The left node contain all the less number of parts in the binary search tree, and the right which has all the greater part in binary search tree. In the left part also has subtree. This also contains the lesser part of the binary search tree, and in the greater part which contains all the greater part in the binary search tree. So in binary search tree, we are going to perform pre-order, in-order, post-order, and level order. So what is pre-order? In pre-order, the data is taken first, afterwards the left element and the right element. Means in pre-order here, the first is data means the root node. Here is F and left and right. Means first it will take first if here it will take, afterwards it will go to the left, and again it will check, means here it will go again to the left because here is the subtree. Then it will go again to the left, means here will come a, it will go to the right again, here it will check. Here is coming again the subtree, then here it will go c, then right e, again this part is over, afterwards it will go to the bigger part, that is G. G has two, only one child I. Here it will go I, and I has only one left child, that is H. Here it will print H. So pre-order comes F, B, A, D, C, E, G, I, and H. So this is called pre-order, and in order, the left element is taken first, then right, and then the right element. In order means this left element will be taken first. This is the parent, this is left, and this is right. In first it will go to the left, then here it will go, and this subtree also has one left element, so here a, then it will go to the data, and right it is also uh, subtree, this is also subtree, it will go again to the left, here it will go to the data again, right. So here this is over, then it will go here, it has only this elements, then G, it will go to I and H, so it will print all the elements here. Afterwards in post order it will print, it will go to the left, it will go to the right and go to the data, means this is the left, again it will go to the left, means this left, then right A, D, AC, means here also it is also left part, AC, E, D, B, then again it will go to the H, then I, G, and F. So here is the post order of the program, and in level order it will go level by level, means F, B, G, A, D, I, C, E, H. It will go level by level, means this is the level of the tree. It will go one by one, each level it will visit and it will print here. So in binary search tree, we perform operation, that is insert, in order, pre-order, post-order, and level order. Now I am showing you the program. Here is the program of binary search tree. Here I have taken a structure node. Inside that I have taken one number, means which we are going to insert, and each number means root has two nodes, that is left and right. I have taken left and right. Afterwards it again it has two subtrees, means this left and right have two subtrees. Here is the new node I have taken. Here what it will do, here is a temporary variable that will make a dynamic node of a node, then the temporary variable of number will be given to the item, means the node is inserted and the left and right are both are the null, because it will be empty, the first number is only inserted, then it will go it will return the temp variable. Afterwards we have to insert a number in root, that is num. If root is equal to null means the root is null, it will return a new node inside the root. Here the node is created. If already the first node is created, then number is less than root of num, means root of num will be there. Root of left will insert the lesser element, or else if number is greater than root, means here the number is greater, it will insert the greater element in the right. So here the right element will be inserted and the root is written. Afterwards, when we do in order structure node root, if root is not equal to null, it will visit to the left, means here it will visit here the left node, it will visit. Then it will go to print that left element and go to the right, and again it will print. So here it will go left, then here is the data, then right, it will print that elements in pre-order. Here is the pre-order will go data left and right, means this data left, it has subtree, then it will visit this node and print all the values that are given in the tree. So here it will go, if root is not equal to null, then it will print root of num, and pre-order, that is root of left and root of right, it will print these elements like this. Of this structure it will print. Again in post order, root is not equal to null, root of number means the root has assigned one number, it will print root of left and root of right, means this post order, it will print AC, then it will go to the right, then data, and it will print all the elements like this. So it will print post order. Afterwards in level order, like this level order, it will go level by level, it will visit each node and it will print all the nodes one by one in sequence. If root is equal to null, it will return. Then here is the queue, it will push inside the root with this element. Here it will push, again it will visit to this, again it will go to the right, again it will go to the left, left of right, go to the right, print right of right, this one. While q is empty is equal to false, it will go to the front one and it will print this n of num, print, and it will pop out and it will print all the elements that is going by sequence. If n of next means this next is equal to here, next is equal to not is equal to null, it will push to the it will push to the left. And if n of right is not is equal to null, it will push to the right. Means this left is not is equal to null, it will push to the left here, and in the right it will push to the right. So here the output will come. So here is the in the main, here is menu driven program. It will ask the user to choose an option like insert, in order, pre-order, post order, level order, and exit. Afterwards in while loop, choice is not is equal to 6, means here are only 6 option. If user insert 7, it will show wrong option is chosen, so please try again. Then it will ask us user to enter a choice. Then in case one, when the user enter the number, it will ask enter the number. When n is equal to null, it will insert a data, else afterwards it will go to the left and right, it will insert all the numbers one by one. In case 2, it will print in order traversal of the list, binary search tree. Then in case 3, it will print pre-order traversal, and in case 4, it will print post-order traversal, and in fifth it will print level order traversal, and in case 6 it will exit the program. Now I am showing you the output of the program. Here is the output of the program. It is asking us to insert the number. Now I'm entering first number, that is 50. Afterwards 25, 30, 80, 75, 10, and 98. Now I want in order of this binary search tree, so I'm choosing 2. This is the in order of the program. 10, first it will go to the 10, then 25, means this is left, this is right, and it has subtract also. So here is the in order of the program. Then afterwards I want the pre-order, then option 3. This is the pre-order of the program. It will go pre-order, it will go to the first, it will go to the data, then left also have the subtree, then it will take this left, then go to the right and again to the data. So it will print all the elements in the in the binary search tree. Afterwards I want post order, so here this is the post order. In post order it will go to the left, then it will go to the right and data. It will print like this order. Afterwards I want level order. It will print level by level. This is the first level, second level, third level, fourth level, and fifth level. It will print one by one all the elements in the list in the binary search tree. Exiting the program. This is the implementation of binary search tree.